Good morning, student. This is Sir Sunny, and we are going to discuss about science. In science, today we are going to deal chapter first, which is human body. Food we eat. So, as we know that food is a substance which give us energy for work and for our body growth. So here in this chapter we are discussing about the food. As you know, our body is like a machine and it is continuously working. The heartbeat, the lungs breathe, the blood circulates, the brain controls, and many other activities go on even when we are sleeping. We also work, study, and play, for which we need energy. From where do we get our energy? This is the question. Food gives us energy. It helps us to work. Food helps us grow or protect us from disease. So, food gives us energy. Children, this energy is used by us for different work, and this energy also very useful for our growth. That means our body build, and this energy also protect us from different type of disease. So now let us discuss what are the components of food. Food provides certain chemical substances that are needed for our body. These substances or components are called nutrients. Food which are eaten by us. In this food, different type of components are available. That means carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are the components of food, and combinedly these components, that means carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, these are the nutrients. And also these are called dietary components. Water and roughage also we use in our diet plan. So these are side food, you can say, which is very important for our body. Now let us discuss one by one these nutrients. About carbohydrate. So carbohydrate are the main source of energy of the body. Without carbohydrate, the body cannot work or function properly. Carbohydrate give us energy. So sometimes that type of food in which carbohydrate is found, that food item are called energy giving food. So the main source of carbohydrate include sugars, bread, beans, grains, some fruits like banana and mango, milk, some vegetables like potato and sweet potato. Sugar, you can say that in Hindi चीनी, bread, that means roti, beans, grains, that means दानेदार चीजें, that is called cereals. Fruits like banana, mango, milk, some vegetables like potato, sweet potato. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, potato and sweet potato contain a starch. Basically, carbohydrates are found in rice, wheat, potato and sweet potato, and sugars are found in sugar cane, you can say that egg. So sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrate, and starch are found in these type of food items like rice, wheat, potato, sweet potato. People who do more physical work need more carbohydrates in their diet. As you see in figure, this is chapati, this is rice, this is potato, banana, sugar. So all these are food items in which carbohydrates are found. Now the second component of nutrient is proteins. Proteins help our body to grow. They help our body to build muscles. Muscles means मांसपेशियां, blood, skin and other organs. They also help our body to repair worn out part. Protein is very important nutrients in our body, because when we work in daytime, then there are so many cells are destroyed. So this protein help this worn out parts of cell at night. So these proteins help our body to repair worn out parts. Worn out means जो भी parts हमारे body के टूट जाते हैं, सेल, बेसिकली हमारे बॉडी में जो भी सेल होते हैं जो चोट लगने के बाद या फिर कट जाने के बाद डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, उसको रिपेयर करने में ये प्रोटीन्स हेल्प करते हैं. पल्सेस, peas, beans, soya beans, milk, cheese, egg, meat and fish are the rich proteins. Babies and young children need more proteins than adults. Babies and young children growing, so for their growth of the body, more and more proteins required. So babies and young children need more proteins than adults. You can see that here some food items having protein: peas, pulses, milk, beans, cheese, fish, soya bean, egg, meat. These food items are rich in proteins. Now the third component of food is fat. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Oils, ghee, butter, whole eggs and nuts are rich in fats. Fat help us to keep our body warm. फैट हमारी बॉडी को उष्मा देती है और जिससे हमारा बॉडी बाहर के जो तापमान होते हैं उससे हमारा बॉडी एडजस्ट करता है. सो द एक्स्ट्रा intake of food is stored in our body for future use. However, we should not eat too much fat. Sometimes we use extra food in our body. We eat extra food. Then that extra food stored in fat, in terms of fat. Now the next component of food is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are essential for normal growth and nutrition. Essential, that means zaruri. So vitamins are essential for normal growth and nutrition. They are required in small quantities in the diet. Rich sources of vitamins are fruits like apricot, apples, banana, orange, and vegetables like carrot, sweet potatoes, winter squash, spinach, etc. These are the fruits in which in large amount vitamins and minerals is found, and it is very important for our normal growth. Vitamins also help our body fight against disease. Food rich in vitamins protect our skin and improve our eyesight. Minerals are helpful in the formation of bone, teeth, and blood. Calcium, potassium, sodium, and iron are some example of minerals. We get minerals from fresh food, fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, liver, and eggs. Minerals keep us healthy and fit. They protect us from disease. Now, when we fall ill, then vitamins protect our body from disease. So vitamins is very important. Also minerals are very helpful for the formation of bone in our body. Not only bone, even teeth and blood also. Minerals, that means some chemicals like calcium, like potassium, like sodium. These are the chemicals. In higher classes we will study about these in detail. So minerals are very helpful for the formation of teeth, bones, and blood. Also we get these type of minerals from fresh food, fruits, vegetables, milk, liver, and egg. Now according to the different working of foods are divided into three groups. First is the energy giving food. In energy giving food, carbohydrates are found in large amount. So foods that are rich in carbohydrate are called energy giving food. This is the important thing. Those type of food items in which carbohydrate are found in rich amount are called energy giving food. Now those type of food items in which proteins are found in large amount, then that type of food items is called bodybuilding foods. And also those type of food items having rich in vitamins, minerals are called protective foods. So we can say that foods that are rich in carbohydrate are called energy giving food. Foods that are rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Foods that are rich in fats are also called energy giving foods, and they give more energy than carbohydrate. Foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Now, these are the nutrients. First, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are found in the food items. Some food items we eat raw, and some are eaten by us by cooking. From these food items we get different type of nutrients, as we know, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals. इन सभी के अलावा हम लोग वाटर भी यूज करते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट इज वाटर. Water is essential for our body to function properly. Water is necessary for digestion and absorption. The food items which are eaten by us, that food item is easily digested by using water. So water हमारे बॉडी में डाइजेशन के प्रोसेस को स्मूथ बनाता है, आसान करता है. एंड जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स फूड से हमें मिलता है वो हमारा बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब अच्छे से करे, इसमें वाटर जो है वो हेल्प करता है. सो it help us to repair and build body. It help us in removing wastes from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Urine, that means toilet, and sweat means जो स्किन के बाहर वाटर निकलता है जिसे हम लोग पसीना कहते हैं. So water help us removing waste material, yeah, you can say that waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Water is present in all the parts of our body. Even blood contains water in it. 65 to 70% of our body is water. So we must drink plenty. Plenty means पर्याप्त, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. We must drink plenty of clean and fresh water every day. रोजाना हमें अच्छे पानी जो बिल्कुल साफ हो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मात्रा में पीना चाहिए, ताकि ये हमारे बॉडी में जाके और जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं उसको अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट करवा सके और हमें हेल्दी रख सके. नाउ वी ईट सम raw food. These are roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in our body. It is also known as dietary fibers. It is also known as dietary fibers. It includes those part of plant food that our body cannot digest. Roughage is important because it is necessary for the proper functioning of the digestive system, and it normalizes bowel movement. Dietary fibers is found mainly in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes. रफेज ये रेशेदार जो फल सब्जियां होते हैं, फल और सब्जियां, उनको खाया जाता है और उनको खाने से हमारे बॉडी की जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होती है वो अच्छे से वर्क करता है. फॉर रफेज वी ईट फ्रूट्स. हम लोग एप्पल खाते हैं, मैंगो खाते हैं, बनाना खाते हैं, नाशपाती खाते हैं. ये सब हमारे बॉडी में जा करके और हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं, उसको हेल्प करता है कि फूड जो है वो अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट हो. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट वी will study about idea of balanced diet, and tomorrow we will study from here and about balanced diet. So for today some homework for you, and homework is write 10 energy giving foods name. Write 10 energy giving foods name. That means in which food items carbohydrates are found. Number 2, write 10 bodybuilding food name. And number 3, write 10 protective name. These questions for your homework, and do in your homework copy. When school reopen, I will check these questions answer. So first question is write 10 energy giving food names. That means that name of that food items in which carbohydrate are found. Question number 2, write 10 bodybuilding foods name. That means that food items having proteins are found. And question number 3, write 10 protective foods name. That means that food items having rich vitamins and minerals. As you can see, these food items like fruits and vegetables containing vitamins and minerals. These are the some fruits having rich in proteins, and these food items in which carbohydrates are found in large amount. So for today it is enough. We meet next class. Thank you.